مين إجا؟ إمتى إجوا؟ أي ساعة إجت? This verb I'm going to take a look at in this video, the verb come in the present tense and then came. Let's jump in. First off, I want to mention that the imperative tense, the order form of this is very different. It's تعال. تعال هون. You might hear this a lot. تعال. تعال تعال تعال. Or تعال, just in spoken Arabic. More slang and just a different way to say this. You can hear تعال a lot. But تعال, very, very common. Come. تعالي to female, تعالوا to group. Now the present tense is actually pretty different in spoken Arabic. Now if you're brand new to Arabic, you don't know the difference between spoken and MSA, Modern Standard Arabic / Fusha, make sure to check out the free mini course. The link is in the bio. Now I'm going to walk you through the conjugation of this. This is not really for beginners. If you're a beginner, first off, you need to figure out what type of Arabic you're learning. 2, you need to focus on the basics, like the pronouns, like how to introduce yourself, the basic sentence structure. So this might be too, I would say advanced for you, but it's not the right time for you if you're a beginner. So if you're a beginner, start with the pre-mini course. If you have the basics, watch this video. So I'm just going to go over the conjugation. So I come, أنا باجي, أنت بتيجي, you come, أنتي بتيجي, same because it ends in a ya, so it's going to be a same thing to the masculine and feminine, but not always. The you and the you masculine, feminine, not always the same. In this case it is. He comes, هو بيجي. She comes, هي بتيجي. And then إحنا بنيجي, أنتوا بتيجوا, هم بيجوا. Okay? Practice this one. You're going to hear this a lot. Okay? And now the past tense, أنا جيت, أنت جيت, أنتي جيتي. Again, this is in the Palestinian / Jordanian dialect. It is used in other places as well, but we're focusing on Levantine Arabic, specifically the Palestinian Jordanian dialect. Okay, so keep this in mind. I came, أنا جيت, you came, أنت جيت. Past tense in any type of Arabic usually, or at least in MSA and Levantine Arabic, the masculine, the I form in the past. Okay, so I came or I ate or I went, and the you form in the past, you went, you ate, etc., are always conjugated the same. So Levantine, this exists in Levantine, and Fusha or MSA. Okay, so this is like one commonality. And you need to, it helps to know this rule because it's going to help you with conjugation. You're going to just know this rule and know that the I form is conjugated the same as the you masculine. أنا جيت, أنت جيت. أنا أكلت, I ate, أنت أكلت. All you're changing is the pronoun. I and you. أنا أكلت, أنت أكلت. أنا رحت, أنت رحت. أنا جيت, أنت جيت. Now feminine form, you came, أنتي جيتي. هو إجا, he came. She came, هي إجت. Now make sure you're not confusing he, she, and the you masculine, you feminine. A lot of people, because the you feminine does not exist in English and other languages, this is unique to Arabic, they'll use the she form. Don't confuse this. We have you masculine, you feminine, and we have he and she. Okay, like English, like other languages, he and she. But the one that doesn't exist is the you feminine. Okay, the you feminine form. The feminine form of the you version of the you. So, هو إجا, هي إجت. Now, you'll notice here, هي إجت. Typically, this will end in a at, هي أكلت, راحت, شافت, etc. And then إحنا إجينا, أنتوا إجيتوا, هم إجوا. Now, some of you for those of you that are familiar with Arabic script, you might be wondering, hey, what's this alif over here? This alif is basically just to differentiate or let you know that this is a verb in the plural form. So we have the waw al-jama'a for the plural, indicating the plural, and the alif al-tafriq, telling you it's not part of the word. Sometimes you have a waw, this waw, that is part of the word, like yad'u, and that is part of the word itself. This one over here is telling you the waw is not part of the word, it's added to indicate plurality, to indicate plurality, okay? Into Ijitu, and then the alif. So waw al-jama'a and alif al-tafriq, they're packaged, they come together, letting you know the waw here is not part of the word, not original part of the word, it's added to show plural. And the alif here, it's the differentiator alif al-tafriq. If you don't know script, don't worry about this. You can totally skip this. If you did and you're curious, that's the reason. Let me know if you have more questions about this. I can probably make a video and I can talk more about this in detail. Okay, so احنا اجينا, انتو اجيتوا, هم اجوا. You wanna make sure you know your pronouns. Okay, first thing, know the pronouns. And then look at the conjugation. Conjugation is a little bit annoying sometimes, you know, with languages, but you need it. We need conjugation. We need to know how verbs work. So spend some time. It won't take you more than 10 minutes to really look at this and say, okay, I want to memorize this. What are some rules? What are some commonalities I see? Some patterns. And then one of them, again, the I and the you masculine in the past tense are the same. أنا جيت, أنت جيت. So that's 2 in 1. Yeah, that's freebie for you. And then just be patient. Give yourself some time. Set a timer, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, where the only thing you do is just you're studying. Yeah, you're working on memorizing and finding patterns. Now, some quick examples. So you're gonna hear people say like مين إجا, مين إجا, who came, مين إجا, أي ساعة إجوا, أي ساعة إجوا, what time did they come, أي ساعة إجوا. Are you coming to the meeting? أنت راح تيجي على الاجتماع. Notice here the راح is the will, it's like will in spoken Arabic and dialect. راح, again in Jordanian, Palestinian. أنت راح تيجي على الاجتماع, so تيجي, أنت بتيجي. We just dropped the B here. More about this later, but if you're taking any of our courses, you would know this. Make sure to check the mini course. If you want to be on the wait list for upcoming courses, let me know in the comments, or make sure to email us, letting us know, hey, put us on the wait list. Okay, because we talk about this in more depth in the full courses, yeah? So, أنت راح تيجي على الاجتماع. You might also hear ح. راح and ح pretty much interchangeable for will. أنت راح تيجي, أنت حتيجي على الاجتماع. Okay. What else? Yeah, these are basically, you know, some examples, quick examples. And then the conjugation, we did it in the present tense, and then the past tense. But make sure to know also the imperative is ta'al, and know that it's fairly different than the present tense and the past tense. Okay. احكوا لي إذا عندكم أي أسئلة. Let me know if you have any questions. وبشوفكم فيديو جاي. See you in the next video.